Alright, here's your 427 small block Ford. View description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. A custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously it's the Borla stacked injection. Real nice setup. Specifically for a GT40, everything up front. TPS, all your injector harness, things like that. Makes it a lot nicer. Obviously it's got the GT40 front end of ours on there. Fuel management, Terminator X. And it's got the correct Aviaid oil pan. Nice unit. Show you how it ran. Already 3,500, 494 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 537, really flat there. That's good. Peaks horsepower 522. Rated at 500. It's got a front end on it, so that's the Borla for you. Runs good. Get her off there. I think you're going to come and get it. Look forward to seeing you.